Today we are gonna work on the abs and we're doing a Tabata. So that's 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, do an ab workout. All right, but today what we're gonna do is start on our back. So go ahead, lay down on your back. The first movement is going to be a lower ab crunch. So you put your legs up like so, and what we're going to do is tuck our pelvis up and bring our legs up to the ceiling and tuck. Okay, we're gonna focus on being nice and controlled. Next, we're gonna then do flutter kicks. So we're gonna lower our legs down, keep that pelvis tucked, flutter kick, okay? Flutter kick, and we'll start with those two and we'll continue on, all right? Let's get it going. Clock is up, legs up in the air, in 3, 2, 1, and up, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, and relax the legs down. We're gonna do one more round of these, all right? One more round. In 3, 2, 1, and up, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, and relax. All right, now we're gonna do 2 rounds of those flutter kicks, okay? When you do these, if you get a hip popping, keep your legs up a little bit higher and flutter kick, okay? Ready, and begin. Kick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, come on, 15, 16, relax. So I want you to keep that pelvis tucked under, all right, and keep that core engaged. 3, 2, 1, and kick, 2, 3, 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, let's go, 17, one more, 18, relax. All right, next one we're gonna do is upper ab reach, legs in the air, taking our hands, reaching for our tootsies, all right? 3, 2, 1, and reach up, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, come on, 7, down, 8, and relax. Relax the legs down. Feeling that core burn. Let's get it. Woohoo, feels awesome. Legs are up. 3, 2, 1, up, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, let's go, 6, down, 7, down, 8, and relax. All right, next move, we're doing feet in the air again. We're gonna take our opposite arm, reach for our opposite leg, and switch sides. And switch sides, all right? 3, 2, 1, and reach up, down, 3, down, 4, down, come on, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, one more, 8, and relax. Relax everything down. Woohoo, one more of these, and we're gonna start from the top. Legs up, arms up, and begin. Reach up, down, 2, down, 3, down, let's go, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, and relax. All right, we got our lower ab crunch, all right? Let's work those lower abs. First move that we started with, 2 rounds. Ready, and up, down, 3, down, 4, down. Let's go. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, and relax. Woohoo, my abs are burning. All right, let's do one more round of these. We got our flutter kicks. 3, 2, 1, and tuck up, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. Let's go. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down, and relax. All right, so now we got our flutter kicks. Remember to tuck those hips under, flatten that back on the floor. 3, 2, 1, and kick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whoo-hoo, 10, 11, come on, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and relax. All right, one more round of these, and we're moving on to upper ab reach. 3, 2, 1, and kick. 2, 3, 4, come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, let's go. 13, 14, come on, 15, you got it in you. 16, 17, one more, 18, and relax. All right, ladies, upper ab reach. We're gonna reach for those tootsies, all right? 2 rounds of those. All righty, 3, 2, 1, and reach up, down, up, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, let's go, 7, down, 8, down, one more, 9, and relax. Good, one more round of these, and we're moving on to opposite reach, up to the tootsies. In 3, 2, 1, and reach, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, come on, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, and relax. Good. Relax everything, because the last 2 rounds, give it all you got. All right, opposite reach. 3, 2, 1, and reach up, down, reach up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, and relax. Hoo-hoo, last one, come on, make it a good one. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and reach, relax, 2, relax, 3, and 4, 5, 6, let's go, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Relax it out. All right, make sure you get your protein and carb in for the day after this. And if you need a stretch, just quickly stretch out the avaroos. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and have a great day.